dry eyes, boy. Good morning. Jeez, the sun hot and it's out. But today, hear that? Gonna be spraying something. It's been a minute since I spray painted. Gonna be doing this header over for the nephew. Pinky. Over there working on his car. I'ma just take this out and sand it down and get to work. Let me get to sanding the car yard. That's what my mother don't like me for. All these cars. And let me pull up this body here with some 8.7. Alright, so this how it looks. As you can see. She kinda. Yeah. But I'm gonna bring it back. On this thing you don't know. None of my titties, boy, just right here. I just gonna be grinding off a couple pieces where rust bubbled up that I can't stand by your hand. I don't be vlogging, but this is how she looking now. If you can see it properly. Hold on there. This second coat. First coat was a light coat. Second coat was like a medium coat, and they're just gonna keep coating it till the thing done. I know I shouldn't have sprayed there, but it's gonna burn off anyway. So, yep. Though we're not using just no any paint, header paint. High temp. See that very high temperature. You can't use no boom can and expect the thing last and they're gonna burn off after the header start heating up. And go use a high temp spray paint, and preferably one that is made for this. You understand? See that? Header paint. Alright, this after the third coat, and I'm gonna put the last coat on it now. And I'm done. Manual swapped by the idiot himself, Punky. My work is done. I can head on the back on another episode when we putting on that exhaust and not the exhaust, when we putting on that header and doing what else we gotta do. I gotta take this exhaust off of this car now. Finally got jack. I just gotta get some tools. I'm gonna be going down by 40 yard. We'll be installing these coilovers and lowering this bitch. Yeah. Well, you already know which yard we in today. Gonna be slamming this BZ.
on, nigga?
Cause I a vlogger, I come to vlog. Yeah, me bring my junks. My junks up, yeah.
Yeah, how that shit pull up clock she love?
Junks.
She low. When I was a freaking driver, she know how about on. I think she was low.
Alright. I done did that side already. But this is the side I doing now. All you gotta do, pull this bolt out. Pull the bolt that goes out through the shop. And then toward the top for the back ones, and step down and pop that, pull that out, the stock one, and put this in. Bruh, look how low this car is. Bruh, 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 bruh. Yo, look on that next side, Hector. That one tucking even, yo. Bruh.
Pull this and just pull this.
The fuck up, I don't want to pull it off, it'll be hard to go back on.
There's not hard go back on, chat shit in my head.
What?
Man, pull the thing, then
From the
go
last
back
me
on.
the whole thing starts spinning.
Got a gun.
We had Give me a 17 man. Yo, Brian, I got no shirt on. Can't make the girls see that.
This your vlogging?
What do you mean? So when you fuck up, what you think they gonna see?
Yeah, but that's for them to see it.
Yeah.
You say I got shit in my crop. You got corn in your crop.
Fuck you.
Where we did the two box and the front. This front not low enough for me. And the box super low. Look at that. And she not marked up. Look how low the box is. So I got to raise up the box for an inch. And then I'm gonna do this side on the right, you know.
Wait, goddamn! I said wait.
It's my phone on 4%, boy.
Sound like a regular room, bro.
And I got no charger. What the fuck? I had some trouble on this side, so I had to get the professionals.
What?
In the dark.
We don't have money.
The pros. Bosch Performance. Bosch and Levy.
Shut them down performance. You're not holding them.
Outside. Still not level. But we soon get there. Maybe 2 more days. It's on the lazy. Bees the way, look at the sun. I'm not gonna see the sun hot. Bees the way, you're done now. We out.